Yeah, what up, though? Welcome to Checkmate TV, and we talk about on this channel how to get our entrepreneurs to that bag. We talk about uplifting your spirituality, everything on the inside, which makes everything on the outside look more beautiful. We talk about investing. We talk about family life and uplifting. You know what I'm talking about? In this episode, we're gonna get into a day in the life of a family vending business, the ins and outs, ups and downs. And we're gonna take a look at a machine today in this episode, which was an old school joint. So you win some, you lose some. Alright. What up, though? Yeah, what I was saying is, in the family vending business, there's a lot of hurdles you gotta go through. You know what I'm saying? You gotta find locations. You gotta find the best machines for a reasonable price. You gotta get good wholesale stock. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your coins. So I was trying to get another, I wanted a combo machine. And so I found this on Craigslist, this particular vending snack machine on Craigslist. And it was a combination machine, which means stackable machine. You have one set of things on the top, like the snacks, chips, candy bars and all that, and then you had the canned sodas at the bottom. So the machine was a little bit old, a little outdated. You know what I'm saying? It was cool. It was cool. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't no home run. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't knock that baby out the park. But you know what I'm saying? It's all about the experience. You know what I'm saying? Trying to find the right thing that fits your situation. And so as we are growing in this family business, you know what I'm saying, we have to wean out a few things. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that it fits, type of locations that we because certain businesses want your machines to look a certain way. You know what I'm saying? They don't want it to look like it's beat up, battered and bruised. You know what I'm talking about? So you'll see in the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm asking questions. I'm asking about all the springs, you know what I'm saying, that goes into the replacement springs and coils that goes inside the machine, because as he was saying in the video, some of the springs on the inside were kind of rusty. So I basically wanted to make sure that we had extra just in case they had broke off, because we don't want to, you know what I'm saying, end up being having a machine in certain slots don't work. You know what I'm saying? That dips into the pocket. You know what I'm saying? And when you're in this business, you want to make money. You know what I'm saying? This is what it's all about. That's with any business. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, you know what I'm saying, you want to make sure everything is up and operating, and you have little to none maintenance or repairs. So like I said, I found this on Craigslist. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour to drive to the location. The guy was cool. He met me with his daughter, and we chopped it up a little bit. So in this episode, you'll see, you know what I'm saying, I'm basically giving it a little, I'm going over my little checklist in my head as far as what I want in a machine, and see if this fits my criteria. So with that being said, you can go check this out. You know what I'm saying? Ride along with me. I didn't have my shorty with me. You know what I'm saying? Boogie didn't take a ride with me. She was in school on this particular day. So don't worry, I didn't leave my little bugs out. Bugs was at home. And usually when I do scouting, you know what I'm saying, I'm usually scouting by myself just because, you know what I'm saying, she's in school. So she wasn't with me at this particular, she done came with me once or twice. No, she came with me a few times on different machines. But for the most part, you know, I do this on my own, you know, go do the scouting. So while you take a ride with me or journey with me through this video, I want you to pick up on little details of what I'm talking about when I'm asking these questions. So, you know, because if you're thinking about getting into it, I learned from a guy, I know his name is Mike. He has a YouTube channel on here. Can't remember the name of his channel. That's really, damn, that's fucked up. Once I remember the channel, I'm going to put it right here. Go check his channel out because he has some great content. So I appreciate, you know what I'm saying, learning from that guy. And one thing I do know is this business right here is it's a lucrative business if you know what you're doing and you got a passion for what you're doing. And my daughters, they really like, you know what I'm saying, the vending business because, you know, for one, they get snacks for free. You know what I'm saying? They get snacks for free, and you know what I'm saying, the money comes in. Our collection day and restock day is every Saturday, so we go to all our locations on Saturdays, do our restock, you know what I'm saying, do our collections, then go back home, do our little tally up and all that good stuff, and you know what I'm saying, plan for a new week. We're always scouting for new machines. You know, one thing I do want to do is grab some little bubby gum, you know, bubby gum. Get some of the little bubby gum, the little machines, you know what I'm saying, that you can throw into little smaller stores. You know what I'm saying? But that'll be one of our next things that we're gonna jump into. So without further ado, you know what I'm talking about? Go watch. You understand me? This video, vlog, episode, all of that in one. I appreciate you. Until the next one. How long? Yeah, about to say, how long ago was this?
Probably 10 years ago.
Oh, you haven't been in the vending business? Oh, really?
It's been a while, yeah. I went through a divorce, and I went through, moved, and yeah, that's why they're looking like they are. I mean,
yeah, but that's not going to be cleaned up.
Produced by J Hits.
I have visions.
Can you plug this one out for me?
I have visions.
And these are 250?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a tip on all my niggas 10 toes down, and still we tripping. I'ma tell them where I'm from and what's the mission. Well, I come from the dirty, but the way I'm acting, I know I got some mission. Said we living, never lacking, stew slapping, moving slow motion.
And when you were in the vending business, how long did you do it?
Oh, probably 4 or 5 years.
How did it work for you?
It's kind of a break-even thing.
Oh, really?
That's why I kind of got out of it a little bit, because I had a few other machines and stuff. I sold most of it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so you had like the regular snack machines and stuff?
Well, no, I just had more of these.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was kind of a side thing. I mean,
Right.
I had visions. I ended off chilling. Now my money through the ceiling. I had visions. And I started from the bottom. I know I deserve
Well, we about to,
I had visions.
I believe, get this one too.
They ain't seeing what I'm seeing, so these people think I'm tripping.
that
I'm
light
just living. I had visions. I had visions. Niggas think I'm tripping. Patron in the Voss bottle, riding round sipping. Boy, I'm just living, but you don't know the feeling. Waiting for a handout. Nigga put some bands out. Built it up from nothing, 2 heads up, plan, then we came up. Now the same niggas that was down throwing bands up. I can't
Right.
Niggas ain't
You're
for real.
exactly right.
Off the pills, got they mind gone. I'm just being real. I just
I
smoke
know,
on
I
my
know.
weed, put some
How
liquor
do you-
in the air. Look into my eyes, boy. I know you don't see no fear. Let's make it clear. I got two biddies in my ear, chilling under chandeliers. It's a rental right now, but in the
Yeah.
year we
They line up and there's holes in the top of them.
Right there. Okay.
And I started from the bottom, I know I deserve this living. I had visions. They ain't seeing what I'm seeing, so these people think I'm tripping, I'm just living.
Put the plastic in there, put this back together, hook the
I had
arms back up. Basically,
I had visions.
when they turn that thing, that little arm.
I ended up spending all my money through the ceiling. And I started from the bottom, I know I deserve this living. They ain't seeing what I'm seeing, so these people think I'm tripping, I'm just living.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
I had vision. And I'm just living.
Is there anything I have to do with it? Okay.
So those are.
So each one. Okay. And that's when it rolls down.
Up on this, and the pop rolls out on the bottom down there. And this is what keeps the pop spinning. This little lever here. So, you turn it, so that this pop rolls out and it goes back down again.
Oh, all right. Okay. Okay.
Take a little engineering skill.
I'm about to say, is it kind of hard?
It's not complicated. I mean, it takes a little adjustment so that, you know, it's got to go up high enough that the top rolls out. You know, you don't want it to be too high and then the two of them, you know what I mean?
Right.
So just kind of adjust it. You can just screw up and down like. You turn them and you just screw up and down.
Oh,
There's
okay.
a screw thing here, right?
For the
So you
adjustment.
just adjust it. Yeah.
Okay. And where'd you get your little stickers, as far as that go? Oh, you do have some?
These springs are for the machines there.
Okay.
Must have already replaced one. And, you know,
Oh, okay.
got a bunch of those.
What are those?
Those are extra coin mechanisms, these things.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, some of them I took out, like these big springs.
Right.
Take up a little more room. They got these little springs, like individual little candy bars.
Right.
So you can adjust it, put in a blank, and put in a big spring for like bags of chips and things. You know, but they take up extra room. So I took these.
Oh, right.
Mechanisms out.
Okay.
And I put the blanks in, and I got the bigger springs in there for chips and whatever.
Okay. What'll be a good time for you tomorrow? I'm about to call. Love and light to all. Everybody that viewed my video today, you know what I'm saying, day in the life, family, vending business. Appreciate you giving me your time. You know what I'm talking about? Thank God for another day. I appreciate you, you know what I'm saying, letting us be able to connect today. Hopefully, if you watch the video, you might learn something, it might be entertaining, I don't know. But like I said, I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Once again, love and light to all you guys. And all the goddesses out there.
That's a little awkward cause I'm 10 toes by myself.
We gonna get
Being
to
scared is not an option. I'm balling like
love and
Mellow
light.
when it's
Love
prime
and light.
time.
sipping on Chianti, boy, that's that fine wine. Niggas hate me and I can't understand why. Guessing they don't wanna see a young nigga fly. I remember